Belize is such a unique country. It's the size of Wales. There's only 370,000 people living in Belize, and this makes it a real treasure. There's so much biodiversity left, and all the big critters that live there. And it's under threat. We want to get involved, and we want to bring people out with us on these amazing journeys and cycle through all the different climatic zones and really get people exposed to the ecologists working on the ground.
Cycling through nature like this is quite extraordinary.
So Bike Belize is more of a ride and a journey than a race. And you can sometimes just spread out and be on your own, cycling through the jungle, forest either side of you. We have a variety of accommodation. We stay sometimes in hammocks, we can then sometimes be in a research centre, then we can be in a 4-star lodge. So we mix it all up, and that really adds to it all. And every evening someone will come and speak to us about the projects that are going on in the area. We're working with an organisation called FCD.
It's really great to see that there are people out there that actually care for this world.
Wherever we do our bike rides, we like to work with a really good ground team. Punctures or breakages or chains come off, there's always somewhere close at hand to help you out.
It's just being close to nature and feeling so part of it.
You know, just totally disconnect from everything else and find that inner peace that I've been able to find here.
The best way to really get excited by the environment is to get into it. You know, it's okay watching on TV or documentaries, but to actually go into a place and experience it and live it. And we hope that we capture more people and that they have these wonderful experiences and want to come back and get involved in the long term, because that's what we need. We need more people connecting to nature.